The KD18 SANDDRIFT blends heritage with innovation as Nike preps for the 2025-26 NBA season. Muted sand and cream hues mix with deep charcoal to create a sophisticated palette across cracked leather, mesh, and suede overlays. While performance remains top-tier with Zoom Air cushioning for responsive play, the aesthetic leans into a lifestyle vibe that resonates beyond the court. A striking green 35 stamped on the tongue pays quiet homage to Kevin Durant's rookie season in Seattle, grounding the design in personal history. This subtle tribute adds depth to the release, connecting KD's journey to the present moment. The premium build, clean color blocking, and storytelling elements make this silhouette appealing for both collectors and hoopers. Balancing function and fashion, the SANDDRIFT edition proves the KD line continues to evolve without forgetting its roots. Expect an official drop later this year via Nike.com and select retailers as anticipation builds.